we discuss about thermodynamics. Thermochemistry study the energy effect of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction energy changes are utilized to calculate the heat balance of industrial process. Then determine the energy of bonds. Then establish the direction of process. Then classification of chemical system. Any chemical system is characterized by first of all parameters, then functions of the state. First is parameters. Can be measured. It is a mass m, temperature T, pressure P, amount of the substance N and concentration C. Function of state. Its absolute value can't be measured. Then internal energy E, enthalpy H, entropy S, Gibbs free energy G. Then types of chemical reactions are chemical reaction is exothermic and endothermic. Here first is heat is liberated into the surroundings, and endothermic reaction heat is absorbed from the surroundings. Then types of chemical reaction is also two types, isobaric and isochoric. Isobaric means delta P is equal to 0. It is at constant pressure. Then isochoric means delta V is equal to 0. It is at constant volume. Then first law of thermodynamics. The energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form. It is a statement of first law of thermodynamics. Therefore, the total energy of the universe is a constant. Means energy can, however, be converted from one form to another or transferred from a system to the surrounding. Means capital Q is equal to delta capital U plus capital A, where Q is an amount of heat, delta U is changes in internal energy, and A is a work resisting external forces. A is equal to P delta V. Enthalpy, heat content. If a system is exchanged with the surroundings by heat, its internal energy and enthalpy are changed. Q is greater than 0 means heat is liberated. Then Q is less than 0 means heat is absorbed. Then the value of delta H is corresponding to the amount of the heat Q which is absorbed or evolved in by chemical reaction. Q is equal to minus delta H. Then the standard enthalpy of formation. Here the standard enthalpy of formation means delta HF is the enthalpy change when 1 mole of a pure substance is formed from its element. Each element must be in the physical and chemical form which is most stable at normal atmospheric pressure. It is 101325 Pa or 1 atmosphere, and the specified temperature is usually 298 Kelvin or 25 degrees Celsius. Then next one is standard enthalpy of formation. If delta HF in H2O is equal to minus 285.8 kilojoule per mole, the thermochemical equation is H2G plus 1 half O2G H2OL plus 285.8. Then delta HM is equal to minus 285.8 kilojoule per mole. Here, the standard enthalpy of formation for a simple substance in its most stable state must be 0. Then, to calculate delta H, we add and all the delta HF values for the products, multiplying each by the appropriate coefficient. Then, we add all the delta HF values for the reactant, again multiplying by appropriate coefficient. This can be summarized by the equation delta H is equal to summation of delta HF product minus summation of delta HF reactant. Then the symbol summation means the sum of, it is U mu I J coefficient in the reaction. Thank you.